Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, my name is Lira Firna with this name H01222342. In this video, I will explain the material about teaching reading. What is definition reading? Reading is the process of understanding the meaning of written symbols. It involves looking at the symbols, associating the with sound, and combining the sounds into meaningful words and sentences. The next material, reading component. The first, the coding, is the ability recognize and break down written symbols into corresponding sounds. The second, word comprehension, is the ability to understand the meaning of words encountered in a text. The third, sentence comprehension, is the ability to understand the meaning of sentence formed from words. The fourth, the text comprehension, is the ability to understand the meaning of a text as a whole. The last, reading strategies, is technique and approaches used to improve reading comprehension and efficiency. The next, advantage and disadvantage of reading English. Learning English has many advantages and disadvantages. Let's discuss both. The first advantage. 1. Global access. English is an international language spoken in many countries. 2. Personal development. Learning a new language can improve cognitive abilities such as memory, focus, and problem solving. 3. Access to information. English is the primary language in many fields including science, technology, and media. The last, entertainment. You can enjoy movies, music, books, and TV shows in English without the need for subtitles. And disadvantage, 1. Challenge. Learning a new language takes time, effort, and dedication. 2. Cost. English course, textbooks, and other learning materials can be expensive. 3. Lack of motivation. If you are not strongly motivated, you might find it difficult to learn English consistent. 4. Loss of culture. Learning English might make you forget your native language and your culture. And the last, difficulty finding practice partners. Finding people willing to practice English with you can be a challenge, especially if you live in an area where English is not widely spoken. The next material, strategies and technique for reading English. Here are some strategies and technique for reading English that you can use. Reading strategies. 1. Active reading. Don't just read word for word. Interact with the text. Take notes, underline important points, and write down questions that come to mind. 2. Making prediction. Before you read, look at the title, subtitle, and pictures. Try to guess what the text will cover. This will help you focus and understand the information better. 3. Using context. If you come across a word you don't know, don't immediately look it up the dictionary. Try to understand its meaning from the context of the sentence and paragraphs around it. The fourth, reading. If a section of text is difficult to understand, don't hesitate to read it more slowly and focus on each word and phrase. Next, reading techniques. 1. Scanning. This technique is used to find specific information in the text. For example, if you want to find a specific date in article, you can quickly scan the text to find the name. 2. Skimming. This technique is used to get an overview of the text. You can read the title, subtitle, and the first and last paragraph, and a few important sentences in the middle of the text. 3. Deep reading. This technique is used to understand the text in detail. You read each word and the phrase carefully and try to understand the overall meaning of the text. The last, reading alone. This technique can help you improve your pronunciation and comprehension. However, make sure you choose a text that suits your ability level. Summary example of English reading. The Cat and the Mouse. A cat saw a mouse running across the floor. The cat was very hungry, so he pounced on the mouse. The mouse was quick, but he was quick. He ran under a table and hid. The cat could get him. The mouse was safe. This story is simple and easy to understand, perfect for beginners. It also has a moral. Being quick and clever can help you escape danger. And its conclusion: by understanding and applying the principles of teaching reading, educators can help students become fluent, effective, and independent readers, which will support their success in a variety of academic areas. Okay, I think enough my presentation about material teaching reading. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.